How to convert your Pinterest account to a personal account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to convert your Pinterest account from business to personal. So first thing, go to business.com and then go to pinterest.com and go here to the top and click on the settings option. Now you need to go here on the account management option, click on it and you will find account changes. Now you can convert to a personal account from here, from business to personal. Just click convert and it will be converted easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you in the next video.